Page 189, Bourrée, the bottom of the page. This lesson and the next couple or so are going to be on improvising. However, this thing is make up a melody or improvise on the melody that's shown here a little bit. They say complete the melody by continuing in a similar manner. Well, good luck with that. I guess we got to figure out what the manner is so we know what's similar to it. So we have to study this melody they've shown. They give a couple measures of melody. We got to figure out what manner is that and continue that throughout the rest of it, I guess. However, I'll still look it over. I want to make sure I understand what I'm getting into here. It's 2 lines long, no sharps or flats in the key signature. We're in the key of C major, sitting on C's, and then cut time or 2/2 time. But when I study a piece that's in cut time, when I'm learning it, I pretend it's in 4/4 time at first. And then when I'm ready to take it up to speed, I'll put it in cut time. So I'm going to talk about this as though it's in 4/4 time for now. And we have this. And that's all it. That's sort of what they give us. So what we want is to come up a melody in a similar manner. And what I'm seeing here is they're all quarter notes. You're going down, and then up, down, up. That's sort of what I'm saying. So the first 2 notes go down, the next 2 notes go up, and you're repeating the second note. Well, if we do that all throughout, then what do? Well, the notes we got to use need to fit the bass. So we got to use notes that fit with the bass. It's like we had this, and then here. So what do we do next? Sort of the chords, the harmony. So I want notes that fit that. The third full measure, I'm going to start with an A because the last measure ended with an A, and I'm just repeating that note. Here. I don't know that there's a right or wrong answer here. You're making up a melody, but the idea, you need notes that go down somewhere, and I'm playing a D here. I can do a D here, or I can do an A. Here. And change it. Just make up a melody that sort of does this. Some sort of a melody in that style, as long as it fits these notes in the bass, the chords that you're playing in the bass, that's good enough. There's no right or wrong here as far as I'm concerned. If it sounds okay, it's close enough for me.